I am Thusit Samaravira from the Kandy Hoteliers Association, and I am delighted to represent the Kandy region on World Tourism Day 2021. It is fantastic to be able to celebrate the tourism industry again, following what has been a very difficult year for us all. And as we now look forward to recovery, we should keep in mind the lessons we have learned and what an eye-opener for the industry it was, and look to build back our business stronger for the future. Communication being one of the most essential area during this crisis. All the professionals have adapted to technological resources such as Zoom to connect up. In addition, many online training programs for staff and personnel in the tourist industry have been organized through social media platforms. I am pleased to mention that the future of Kandy is going to be bright, mainly due to the ongoing infrastructural developments. With the Colombo to Kandy highway being completed, Kandy will be more accessible and the local hotels will benefit a great deal, and also provide employment to the local community. Tourism in Kandy region has taken a new phase with the establishment of the Tourist Information Center. It is pleasing to know that the Department of Tourism has identified unique cultural areas with many tourist attractions in the rural areas. This will uplift the spirit of tourism as well as the local economy. The citizens of such villages will be happy to know their areas have been well recognized and acknowledged. I wish to express our sincere gratitude to all hotel owners and owning companies who made it possible to retain the staff within the organization and also within the industry by paying their monthly wages during these challenging times, even in the long run with the pandemic. The pandemic became an adapter to a new era, which kept us all believe in hope. During this period, many of us realized the importance of hospitality and how it can drastically change at the blink of an eye. As professionals, we need to bring more technology into the industry. We are doing our best to look beyond COVID-19 to have a strong tourist industry in Sri Lanka. I wish a successful International Tourism Leaders Summit. Thank you.